Alright, hey, so yeah, it's me, Simon, and yeah, so, not really an unboxing because my mom just, like, came in here while I was still asleep and gave me this, so yeah, Genie CD came, and also the Winter album, and, yeah, open this. Yeah, I really miss my camera, because I didn't really need to hold it. I could just stick that thing on a tripod, but, yeah. Yes! Another bubble wrap bag to add to my collection. Okay, whatever, so yeah. What's this? Third anniversary. Oops. Oops, what's this? Touch the sun. Okay, whatever. So, here's the Winter album. Kind of slow on getting this, but yeah. And then here are the two CDs. Yay. So, yeah, we'll set one aside and let's open this one up. We'll open the Winter album first. Best for last. So. I don't like putting my camera to the side like that. Whatever. Let me get a pair of scissors. And let's see. Just cut through this. Yes. Alright, here's one album. Oh, CD's upside down, but ooh, shiny. It's a little reindeer on it with a heart. Alright, so over here, this is probably just the songs and lyrics. So yeah, get the whole track list in here. I think that's ball. Wait, no. Yeah. DBSK, Super Junior, Sunshine. More stuff. So, more DBSK and yeah, and what's it called? SM Academy thingy. So, yeah, this is the Winter album. Now on to the really good stuff. Yeah. And I'm on Xbox, so I'm just talking while I'm talking to other people while I'm making this video. Like Lee is talking about me always buying things. So here. Yeah, that didn't go through. There we go. I don't want to scratch it up, so I'm trying not to put pressure on this. There we go. Yeah. Oh my god. material on this, it's kind of like the baby CD. It's not like the, well, no, it's like the Girls' Generation one and the baby CD. It's not shiny plastic thingy, so yeah. Oh, I forgot to show you the back of this, but yeah, little snow thingy majiggy, but whatever. Okay, so for some reason they decided to put Yuna on the front and I have this on the back. Yes. Can't really read that. I'll probably take some pictures and put them into this video. Yeah, opening this up, it's kind of the same as the GCD, but the booklet goes this way instead of up, I think. Wait, no, I think that one went like this too. This is CD. Yeah. Alright. Oh, and Music Bank last night was good. And they won, so. So, here's the booklet. This is different. It's not like paper. It's actually, I guess you could say high quality. But, yeah. Tiffany! Yay! And there's Yuri. What's this? Channel S. What's this? Oh, it's not paper with everything combined in the SM Academy crap again. Yeah, I'll probably put that at the back. Yeah. Zion. Sunny. Where's Jessica? Well, there's Jessica, but not like the single pic. I think I missed it, but then again, it could be more. More lyrics and crap. Luna. Song and Jessica. Yay. Yeah. So let me get all the little information there. Yeah, I just woke up, so yeah. Yay. So make some room here. And they're gonna go over here. A little chicken. Eraser. Whoa, dust. Okay, not a good idea to do that. Okay, so winter album. This would like go in between, but I don't know. Oh, I need to clean that off first. Okay. For some reason that 1-2 song is stuck in my head. So have that there. And I don't know where I can put this. Where does this go? It probably goes in between here. I think Baby was in 2008, right? I guess I'll have to make new arrangements. Ooh. Here's my order form thingy. So I'll put G over here. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. I don't like the way my desk looks. See, it curves in and then